Namaste everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us see how to simulate junction field effect transistor and also the drain and transfer characteristics outputs, and we will also see their values in the Excel sheet. Nothing but how to export them in the Excel sheet. So for this, we have to place all the components required. Just click on place and then components. Firstly, I am selecting the source, that is VGS, the voltage between the gate and the source. So this is the DC source which we have to select for this. Firstly, we will look into the transfer characteristics and then we will see the drain characteristics. This circuit is very easy. Please do follow the steps. So here the voltage VGS, positive is connected to the ground and negative is connected to the gate terminal. To get the transfer characteristics, click on Simulate, Analyze and Simulation. Select DC sweep. Now select both source 1 and source 2. For the source 1, you give the VGS and the source 2 VDS and give the start and stop values as shown. Now in order to give the expression, add expression, click on absolute and give current at I VDS. Then you can get this expression as shown. So now run it. So to make this graph exactly to the characteristics of the transfer characteristics, just you have to select the rectangle of this graph. Then you can get the exact characteristics of the transfer, characteristics of the JFET. Just select this graph, click on OK. So do it multiple times, then you can get the graph exactly which resembles the graph as shown. You can also customize this graph, like you can give the title as JFET transfer characteristics. I just want to change the color so that you can clearly see it. So click on this symbol, then it will change to the white color. So to get the values, transfer characteristics values, that is nothing but the voltage and the current values for the observation, click on tools and then export to Excel. An Excel sheet will be created. So this is the Excel sheet which is created. So these are the values. You can take these values for your lab experiments and all. Just select it, select number, so that you can decrease or increase the decimal part. Now let us simulate the drain characteristics of the JFET. For this, the circuit will be same, just we have to change the output parameters. That is, click on simulate and then click on simulate and analysis, click on DC sweep. So here we have to change the source 1 and the source 2 parameters. At the output section, you have to select the same one which you have selected for the transfer characteristics, that is VI of VDS, that is absolute current at VDS. So these are the output at constant VGS. So at constant VGS, that is voltage at gain source, we got the ID and VDS voltages. So select all these to get the output and the Excel sheet, that is the values at the Excel sheet. Click on tools and export to Excel sheet. So these are the values at different VGS voltages. So at different VGS voltages, we got the ID current and the VDS voltage. If you found this video informative, please do like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.